There are 3 simple things you can do to win more work on Who Can Fix My Car. Increase the amount you quote, keep your response times low, and call drivers. It's easy to find out how you are doing across these 3 areas. Simply go into your home page and scroll to the bottom right. Here you will see your response time. This is the time you take to quote on jobs. We know that the quicker you quote, the more likely your quote will be accepted. It also shows the amount of work you have quoted on and how many times you have revealed a driver's telephone number. We know the more contact you have with a driver, the easier it will be to win their work. To reveal a driver's telephone number, go into your applied for jobs and hit Call Customer. Occasionally, drivers can forget to tell us they have booked into your garage. If this happens, you can easily click I've booked this car in. Doing this makes sure we send a feedback request to the driver, which will strengthen your profile.